Shoe check first, shoe check. Oh, he ain't got these. I'm sure they do. But anyways, about to do some riding, excuse me, you speak proper. My Southern coming out in the Mustang. So if you wanna ride, join me. Let's get it. Join me on this tour of the Big South Kakalaki. So we can catch some action. Another camera, another toy. I wanted to test it out, just see how it looks. I need to clean my windshield, excuse me, because my windshield is dirty. I did wash the car, but the windshield is dirty. You see we got the purple, because I got the purple on the paint job now, but we can change it up. Green, if you're not familiar with the Echo Boost. I'll do red right now. I'll shoot the rest ones. Alright, leave it alone for right now. That didn't sound good. See, we got 22s. That don't sound good. Make sure I ain't. Columbia got so many potholes, man. It's crazy. I'll check in a second. Got so many potholes. By the Vista. I need to check my air pressure because I ain't like I hit that pothole. The boys on the bikes out tonight. It's 77 degrees, so I feel good out here. I feel great. Pressure good. If I ain't say this is what we call the Vista, there ain't nothing going on. Nothing. Dead as can be down here. Ain't nothing going down out here. I'm gonna get some footage of some vehicles or something. Sometimes the boys be out, but night don't look like that night. Ooh, you can hear it. Hear that boost. Hear that Eco Boost turn up. Better put some respect on his name. This is the main strip right here. Let's see what's jumping on Main. Anything going down. Normally I turn my music, but it's a mess of the video, so we're gonna have to go silent, ride through acapella, meaning just the wind. Let me see. I'm gonna change my gauge back. We're gonna be on that purple. Let me show you. I could do the ambient lighting too. Let's change that red real quick. See that? Oh, okay. It's so dark, you can't see it's red too. I've changed another color, y'all can see it. Even though it's the old school at this point, as long as I had this car, but or somebody would call it an old school, sarcastically. She ain't none on main either. Main dead too. Oh, there go another stain. Let's find try to put the blue. Yeah, see. We're gonna go with that purple though. We're gonna go back to purple. Change gauge color to purple. And you can set a custom too. Like, you see? Like that. But we're gonna go with the purple. Go with that purple. Do something a little different. Oh, yeah, Eco Boost too. Boost, brother. I need some gas. Yeah, ain't nothing happening. Columbia dead as it wanna be. Nothing jumping down here tonight. Like I said, I was bored though. Figured I'd grab a camera, try to record something, see how it comes out. I'm thinking I want to have maybe like some conversations as I'm doing POV in the car, but I don't know. I have to figure it out. Because I do like doing the POVs, even though I only got one in my old school. But and if you haven't seen my old school OG weeds, check it out. I'm going to say coldest Lincoln in the South, especially South Carolina. If you know one harder, let me know, because I haven't seen one. I'm not trying to be cocky, but a lot of people don't drive Lincolns for one thing, but it's the hardest one I know. I got something, but it ain't nothing. Not enough jumping. Oh, here goes somebody right here. Let's see. Somebody go a vet. Somebody with some shoes on, Suburban. Maybe like some 26s, maybe. That was a little something. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the main strip. I just wanted to record some footage, test out the footage, see how it looks. Just get used to recording this. Another setup I can use. If you like it, comment, let me know. I'll try to play with some more. If you have some suggestions or some things you want to do with the POV footage, you can add that as well. But I'm not going to record too long because I just wanted to test it out and see what it looked like. Anyways, your boy Major about to sign off, and remember, we are not the majority.